Pooja ma'am, you there?
Hello,
Good
hello
evening.
everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
We may be waiting for a few more minutes for other students, so we will start.
Pooja ma'am, can we do a quick check? We can't hear your audio so well. Can it be a little more louder?
Yeah, sure. Now, just now am I audible?
Looks much better, ma'am. Looks better. Thank you. Anjali, please give ma'am the host rights and yes, you spotlighted her. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. We will have more learners joining in as well, but we could definitely start the session as we are already late.
And yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so everyone, try to keep your videos on. If there are students here, please try to keep your videos on. It'll be a great way for me to speak to you, understand your understanding, and yeah, hi Kiara. Others, Aaron, thank you, Kiara. Kushi, Hema, Aryan, try to keep your videos on. So we'll be starting in another 3 minutes. By the time I would like to know which grade you're studying in. Okay?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Can you type in which grade you're studying in the chat box?
Ma'am, I'm studying in 2nd grade.
Okay, done.
Second grade.
Second. So it is Nazdik Alisha, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Kiara.
I'm studying in 3rd grade.
Oh. So it'd be great if all of you can use the chat box and put your answers in the chat box. Okay. So my name is Pooja. I'll be your teacher for this particular session, wherein I'll be telling you what exactly I teach if you join the test. Okay. So how many of you in the chat box? Okay. This class is not going to be somewhere wherein you just sit and listen to me. You have to give me answers. Okay. You have to be alert. Okay. And your hands have to be always near your keyboard.
Ma'am,
Yes, Alisha.
can you please? My mom says that today you will teach us how to make a game.
Yes, I will do that. So what we'll do before that, I have a few quick questions to ask. Okay. So what I can do is I would like you to use the chat box. Okay. So strictly use the chat box. I have been given only 40 minutes in which only 10 minutes is over. We have only 30 minutes left. Okay. So in 30 minutes, I would like all of you to actually make me understand what you know, what you have learned. Okay. So Siddharth is from 2nd standard, Aaron is from grade 5. Okay. So now, how many of you have done coding in code.org or Scratch? Yes. Done coding, yes. Or else show me a thumbs up or thumbs down. There is the reaction option. Okay. Sasha has done it. Yara has done it. Okay. Okay. I'll just quickly show you a few things, what you'll actually be learning with us. Okay. How many of you know robotics here? How many of you have attended any robotics session here? Kushi has attended. Grade 4 Kushi has come. Okay. I'll be showing you quickly a video. Okay. So this is something that you all will be doing once you join. So we'll go on, we'll keep on upgrading everything about the robotics part. As you go from grade 1 to grade 2, grade 2 to grade 3, the same way, even here, you'll be going from level 1 to level 2, level 2 to level 3. Okay. So now, how many of you excited to see a video or a robot to walk? If you do not speak to me, my voice is not clear. It is robotic voice. Okay, my voice is actually down. I'm trying to, I have a sore throat. I have a cold. So very sorry about that. Okay. So I'll speak less. I'll show you more. Okay. I'll be speaking less. I'll be showing you a much more things. Okay. So give me a moment. I'm sharing my screen. So what we do is we do three things. All of you keep three fingers up. So we'll have a small quick session wherein you'll understand what robotics is. So now, when you're learning something, first thing what you learn is coding. Okay. Second thing is electronics. Third and the last thing is robotics. First one is coding. Okay. Second one is electronics. Third one is robotics. You don't just dive and learn robotics. It's very difficult for you to understand. So what we do, we'll take you from step by step. We'll first take you to coding. I would like all of you to sit straight and look at me. Aaron is doing something. Kiara is doing something. Everyone is doing something. My video is stuck. Okay, look at me, please. Sit straight. And others, try to keep your videos on so I know that you are here and you're attentive. Okay, I'm going to be here for another 20 or maximum 25 minutes. So for 25 minutes, give your concentration to me. After this, I won't be there to ask you to look at me. Okay, just 25 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly share the screen. I want all of you to look at the screen because you're going to see something really nice according to me. Okay. So what you're going to see here is the model which you will be building by yourself. Okay. So we'll be providing you all the materials and you will actually be making this models. Okay. So you can just
Hi,
see
I am
the model.
Alvin Michael. I
This is
am
the first
from
model.
AC School. I am very much excited to show the robot which I recently made. Thank you.
Okay. Did you all see that? Yeah. You saw something was walking, right? So he's a first grade student who could do that. So how did he do that? I actually will provide the materials and they'll be able to do that. So this, what we'll do is first we'll teach you what's electronics. And now let's see something in electronics, what you're going to learn. Everyone who is joining, please try to keep your videos on. That's when it'll look like I'm in a class, I'm teaching in a class. Else it'll look like I'm actually teaching to my laptop.
Rabbit. Miss Rabbit
Okay.
is ill.
So
I'll be
let's go
doing
to
her
the
job
next
today.
one. Now you might be wondering, what is electronics, right? I'll tell you how you're going to learn about electronics right now. So you can see this particular thing.
Hey everyone, this is Pooja P here. I'm from
Can
Fundoo
you all
Class
hear?
School, and today I'll be showing you an experiment taught by our amazing teacher, Miss Pooja Sachin. And this is the kit which we got from Robomachines.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me.
A4. And the buzzer, I'm placing the longer leg to J1 and the shorter leg to J4. I guess you all are hearing the buzzer.
So what did she show you? She showed you about a kit that you get from RN. And even if you're not in India, we'll be telling you how you can get the materials to your country, whichever country, whichever part of the world you can be, not a problem at all. And then you can actually see how exactly you can make your own circuits by your own self. So we'll be guiding you through online how you can make these circuits. Okay. So it's going to be a combination of three things: coding, robotics, electronics. So sorry, coding, CED. Okay. So it is coding, electronics, and robotics, COR. Okay. So now, first one is coding. Bhagyashri Desai, first one is coding. I'll show you one more thing. Try to keep your videos on, children. Let's do a simple thing right now. Why this particular session has to be useful for you as well. So you have to understand something, and after this session also you have to do something. Okay. How many of you are using a laptop? Harin is using a laptop. Okay. Who else? Kiara, Nazik, Alicia is using a laptop. Okay. Okay. Now I'll be putting a link in the chat box, which all of you can access. Open the link and you will go to a new page. Okay. So here, this is something you will be taking away from this particular class, wherein you'll understand what is electronic circuits and how we use it. So I have shared a link in your chat box, everyone, for your reference. Okay. So this particular class, you'll be understanding how you can build your own circuit. Okay. So first we'll teach you everything online, and then you will do it in your home. Okay. This particular class entirely will be wherein you actually do both online and you do something and make something by yourself at home. Okay. So now what you have to do, as soon as you go to this particular place known as Tinkercad, all of you can see me. I mean, see my thing. Okay, I was about to disable annotation for others by the time someone annotated. That was too quick. Please do not annotate. Okay. Now no one can annotate. Okay, so now you can see there is something known as create new circuit. I'll show you how to make a dice. Okay, all of us have played Ludo, Snake and Ladder. Yes, all of you, Charvik, Tejas, Seema, Sonia, Anjali, Sai, Tanvi, everyone. Give me a reaction button. All of us have played, right? So I'll be teaching you how you can make a dice. Okay, all of you have seen a drag and drop coding. You've seen that. This is a new kind of coding where you code something without the normal one. Okay, so let's start. Let's click on create new circuit. Everyone look at the screen. Look how I'm going to do it. I'm going to actually create a virtual dice. Okay. So this will take me sharp 3 minutes. Okay. I'm going to make a dice. I want all of you to see this. Okay. So this is my page, everyone. This is my page. Okay. I'll annotate and show you. Here, I'm so sorry. Here there is a search bar. Okay. There is a search bar here. All of you can see the search bar, right? So I'm going to just go and click and search for microbit. Okay. So it's microbit here. So I'll just drag it and drop it this side. So now this is a microbit using which we can do many things. Okay. And I told what I told, I'll show you what is coding. So here I'm doing coding with electronics. Okay. Just a second. So here in the code section, yes, there is drag and drop section, but then this drag and drop buttons are quite different than the ones you would have seen. The Scratch and code.org, everyone must have got bored by now with that. Okay. So now see this one, when I'm clicking on start simulation, you will see this board will show anything which is present here. Or any command that I'm giving here, it'll come here. So if I don't want this, I'll take it out. I'll put this in. I'll turn this on, I'll turn this on, I'll turn this on, and I'll tell again start. Okay. So when I'm telling on start, as you see, there are 3 buttons that is on. Here also there are 3 buttons that's on, that light bulbs are on. So this is where you understand logic. And this is where you start to think. Okay. This is not like normal coding which you do. Here you understand the logic and you understand, oh, exactly what I need to do. Okay. So I told dice, okay, it's 5:26, give me 3 minutes is what I told you. On button A pressed, okay, let's take out on start and forever. Here on button A pressed is here. Here on button B pressed. I've kept 2 buttons. So the buttons are inbuilt, okay. I want everyone look at me. I'll ask questions after this, okay. So here is button A, here is button B, okay. So now how will I make my dice? I have to first click on variables. I have to create a variable. So what is a variable? I am creating a project by name dice. So it is dice. Okay. So here I have my dice. Okay. I'm going to set my dice to 0. Initially it is 0. Then I go to math. So on your dice, do you see alphabets or numbers? Alphabets or numbers? Alphabets. You see A, B, C, D, E. You see numbers, right? Yeah, you see numbers, correct? Yes. So now what are we going to do? We are actually going to go. Is the screen visible, Kiara? Cool. So now I'm going to go to math. I'm going to pick random. Okay. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick random numbers from 1 to 6 because in our dice there are 1 to 6 numbers. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to basic again and I'll tell show number on the dice. So the same thing what I've done for on button A pressed, I'll do the same thing on button B pressed also. Okay, I'll go to math here. I'll go to pick random. Again 1 to 6 or yeah, 1 to 6 I'll do. Again, I'll go to basic, I'll go to show number, and I'll go and tell whatever is on the dice, show me the number. Okay, now I'll click on start simulation. Okay, so here is my button A and here is my button B. When I click on A, as you can see, the buttons are, the numbers are coming. Okay, here let's make a small change. Let's say 7 to 9. Okay. So again, I'll click on start. So here, when it is A, it is coming from 1 to 6. It will not go beyond 1 to 6. But when I click on B, it will come only 7, 8, and 9. Only 3 numbers will come. You're able to see the difference? Thumbs up. Able to see the difference. So how easy this was? So this is known as electronic circuit making. So here is where we'll come and teach you so many different types of microcontrollers. Okay, so this is one type of microcontroller. I'll show you another one. You want another one? Yes? Another project? Yes? Okay, so just a minute. So now this part is done. Well, now we created a dice. Okay, another fun part which you can do with microbit is, so sorry for my voice is terrible today, on shake. So if you have a microbit in your hand and you actually shake it, something can happen. So but right now the microbit is inside the screen, so I'll show you how you can shake it even if it is inside the screen. I put the same code inside. Okay. I take this out. Okay, now see. Now, how am I going to shake? Do you think I'm going to shake my laptop? Can I shake my laptop? No. Here there is something like this. If I shake this, see, one moment. I'll move the micro bit a little more on top so all of you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, better. So now I had told on shake. On shake, see here. I can actually consider this to be in my hand and I can move it. So each time I move it, so I'll stop it and move it again. So each time I'm going to move it, the number will change. Okay, so that is something where I hope, again, if you see it once more, all of you can make this virtual dice. Yes, it was easy and I took exactly 3 minutes. Okay, so we'll do another one small project. Yes, one more. Why I'm doing this is I want you to understand and get confident that you all can actually do electronic circuits. You can actually understand what electronic circuits are. Okay, because you might be in first standard, second standard, whichever grade you are in. It is very simple now because everything is available online. Okay, let's do quickly 2 minutes. See, check the clock. It's 5:31. I'll finish it within 5:33. Okay. So let's see. It's like a competition between me and time. Okay. I'm going to get a LED light. Okay. I'm going to get a LED light here. Okay. I got a potentiometer here and a battery. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll connect positive anode to this thing. Negative, let it go to wiper and here. You see what happened is, 1 second. Okay, so now here again it's blasting off. Wait, let's do one thing. I'll just change the value. I'll do a small magic here and then I'll stop. Okay, I have more 1 minute left to show you the magic. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Okay, so here I'm going to connect negative to positive, positive to negative. Our LED bursted out. Okay, so what I'll do is now I'll bring in a new thing that is here. I'll delete it. This is something known as resistor. This will resist current. Okay, now see, it's glowing fine. So what did this do? It took out the current which is not necessary. Okay, I'll put another resistor here. You see, this is more fun. This actually, when you get and when you do it by yourself, you will like it a lot. So now here what you can do is, as you increase the brightness, the LED will glow more. So this is known as LDR. We'll be teaching you, like, if you're in India, you will get the kit from RN and we'll give you all these components and you can do it by your own hand. Or else if you're out of India, not to worry again, we'll give you the list of components which you can place an order for and then you can actually do it at your home. We tried this experiment last month and it was super successful. There were 2 kids who actually got it. They ordered it from Alibaba and everything. And that's the reason. Okay, Siddharth, disappointed. Okay, let's start again. Very simple, Siddharth. Now, when we are turning on the light in home, so consider this is the light in your home and this is the switch in your home. We're connecting the switch, but then there is a lot of current coming in. So what happened? The light in your home bursted off. So what I did, I bought a small resistor. Okay. So when I'm bringing this small resistor, this resistor is taking out the extra current. It'll come in, it'll take out the extra current. How much of a current is required? Only so much it's giving to the LED light. So this way, the LED started glowing. Can you all eat 10 times a day? Can you all eat 10 times a day? 15 times a day? No, right? The same way, LED cannot take more current. It can take only little current. So we have to give only little current. If we give more current, the LED or the bulb will burst. That's the reason we bring the resistor inside. So what will happen? Where do we get this site? Panna P. Shetty. Don't worry, you can join me through Fundoo Class. So wherein we'll be doing all this. So 3 things. One is coding, very new type of coding. It's not the same old coding. Second thing is robotics. Third one is electronics. So like this, we'll teach you one thing at a time. Okay. So I was told I'm given time only till 5:40, after which and there will be another class starting. Now you can ask me your questions in the chat box quickly. Yes, Aryan. You cannot move a video. One moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
How
me.
do we join this class?
You can ask Fundoo Class people. They'll help you out.
Okay.
Okay. How
Ma'am,
many
can
of
you
you
repeat?
join
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said?
Fundoo Class? You've joined the Fundoo Class thing right now, so they'll help you to join the class.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And if you're not able to open your this thing, everyone, if you're disappointed that you're not able to come here, create an account. It's very easy to create an account. You can ask your parents help. They'll help you out. Okay. It's very easy that way. So this is something where we'll teach you electronics, and that's how this girl could make her own circuit. I'll show you another one small. Do you want to see another one model? Another one model working? Yes. I'll show you quickly. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go.
Hi, this is my crawling robot.
So this is something where it crawls. So it's going in a circle and it goes back to him itself. Like a boomerang, but not a boomerang. Okay. So that is one thing. So like this, we have many models with us. We'll be teaching you how to make the model. We'll be providing you the kit. If you're out of country as well, we'll tell you how to do, what to do, everything. Yes, Tejas. Tejas, I'm trying to unmute you. Who is this? Siddharth. Siddharth, if you're not able to open it, do not worry. What you can do is you can actually, I'm so sorry, you can actually register yourself on Tinkercad and then you can open it. After the class also you can do that, Siddharth. Aryan, can you unmute yourself? I'm trying to unmute Tejas, it's not happening.
Yes, ma'am, I can unmute. Ma'am, what is the duration of this class?
So it is 1 month, 8 classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Yes, Kiara, tell me.
When I was trying to open the link, it was coming share the code what the teacher has said.
Okay, I'll quickly show you all how exactly you can create the account. Okay, just give me a moment. I'll start fresh so that you all know what to do. So first thing is Google. Then after Google, go to Tinkercad, Tinkercad. So once you go to Tinkercad, first click on the first link. Okay. Here is your first link that will open up like this. Hopefully I'm not logged in so that I can show you exactly how to do it. Okay, I'm logged in. Let's log out. Another 1 minute, I'll show you all, and then you have to click on join now, everyone. Okay, do not go to start tinkering or join your class. Click on join now, and from there, what you have to do is you have to click on create a personal account. From there onwards, you can ask your parents help, they'll help you out. Okay. So that part is done. Next. Hi, unmute me. Who wants to be unmuted? Cute Manvi. Tejas, you can unmute yourself even now. Abdur Rahman. Okay. That's it, everyone. I hope Rahman Ali. Okay. So now what all we did a dice. We saw how exactly you can make your LED glow. You saw exactly how the models work. So how they work is we'll actually teach you how you can put them together. Okay. So we'll be giving you the circuit. So this is all about it. So that's one moment. Ma'am, can I start a new topic? I guess I'm speaking to Anjali, ma'am.
Ma'am, please speak.
The fees will be told to you by Fundoo itself, ma'am. Fundoo people itself, ma'am. Fundoo group of people.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Can I know if I can start a new topic?
How much time it will take?
If I start, it'll take another 10 minutes. So I just wanted to confirm with you.
Just a second. Can I confirm it?
Sure. That, yeah. Okay. So you want a new topic, right, everyone? Yes? You want a new topic, right? Wait for 2 minutes. We'll see if we have time. Okay, or else the class will get over abruptly, it will be ended. So I really hope and wish to see you all in the class. Okay, so all the details will be given to you by the Fundoo group. I suppose we'll not be able to do it. Yes, it's okay if I'm not supposed to do it as well, not a problem. We can end the class.
Ma'am, you can take extra 10 minutes. It's okay.
Done. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's go for the next topic. Yes. Okay. Now I'm coming back to the topic where I told you about Scratch and everything. So I definitely am sure you all have done Scratch, but then what I'm showing you right now is, just give me a second. So what we're doing is, in Scratch, we just don't teach you random stuff. We'll actually be telling you, is my screen visible? Okay. So here we'll teach you logic. So whatever we teach, even in Scratch, everything will be logic based. So now when I'm going to click on the green flag, so this is a game that's been created. So when I actually hold catch apple, only then my score will increase. As you can see, my score is increasing only when I catch the apple. So you'll be creating games like this. I understand you might have done something in Scratch, you might know how to use it, but you will understand here how you can create your own game. So I'll just show you another one small game. Okay. So you'll be doing the game part. Now let's do this. Okay. I'm really bad at this game, but the game is fun. Wherein what happens is, whenever it touches the egg, the game stops. So again, here what happens, I'll tell you. There's a lot of coding behind this also. Okay, as you can see here. So what is repeat, what is everything? Now again, let's start. Okay. How many of you can play this game better than me? I cannot play it much better, I guess. How many of you like playing games? Even I like, but this particular game, I'm really bad. Okay, so listen carefully. When you're joining this course, in 1 month, you'll be creating compulsory one game. You'll be making compulsory one model, and you'll be either doing robotics or electronics for first month, so you understand the basics of it. And the next level will be where you learn how to make model. So in the end, you'll actually definitely understand how exactly you can create something by yourself. Okay, it's going to be like end of each level, you will learn something. Okay, now I'll quickly show you what you're going to get if you're joining the course. Okay. So first thing is you'll be getting study materials from RN, which is soft copy. There will be an application which you can download, in which there will be additional videos that will be given to you. There will be videos using which you can actually see, and you can learn something new as well. So all this will be provided from RN. What are the 3 things? Who can tell me? Yeah, go ahead, Kiara.
Coding, electronics, and robotics.
RN, your turn. Thank you, Kiara.
Electronics, coding, and robotics.
Now I would like to ask Saisha, can you tell me which was the board we used, Saisha?
What, ma'am?
We used a board for dice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the name of the board?
Ma'am,
Okay, I'll tell you what it is. It is known as microbit. Okay, so it is known as microbit. So this is something which you can use, even you can do it. Okay, so this is microbit. Next, who can tell me which is the virtual thing that we created? Rahman, can you tell me? Rahman is busy playing with his friend. Next, Alicia, can you tell me what we created? Sorry? Okay. Alicia, Nazik, Alicia, can you tell me what we created using the microbit?
Your imagination can dream up. Watch this. From the very first click, you're making stuff.
Okay, I guess Alicia is busy. We made a dice, correct? Yeah, Kiara is ready to tell. Yes, so we made a dice. Okay, can you tell me, Kiara, which was the thing we used between the battery and the light?
Battery in the light, we used something like
Resistor.
resistor.
Okay. Yeah, all of you remember your sibling. If you have a sister, it's easy to remember that way. Resistor. When you use resistor, what will happen? Current will reduce. Okay, so that's it from my end, everyone. This is what I wanted to tell you all. These are the things which you'll be learning. That's coding, electronics, and robotics. It's like a complete package. All the details will be available to you from Fundoo's group of classrooms. So please get in touch with them, and definitely you'll be doing something in the end which will actually work. It can be a code, it can be a game, it can be a model or a circuit. Something will definitely work. Okay? Yeah, okay. I just said yes.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am, for coming and enlightening our students.
Welcome. Thank you so much for inviting me. It was a great session, I hope. Did you all understand and learn something, everyone? Did you see something exciting? Was it useful? Yes. Good. I see.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you, everyone. So any doubts, please ask Fundoo Classroom. They'll help you to join my class. Bye.
Okay. So here we will end this session now.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, sure. Bye.